YouTube, it's your boy HB3 in the building, man, and today I'm coming to y'all with this update. I know y'all been missing your boy, but I am officially back to bring y'all this update, so stay tuned. Now, before I get started, man, listen, I'm just gonna be straight up with y'all. I'm gonna be totally honest. I did say I was gonna come, with weekly updates. And I let y'all down once again. But I thought about it. I did 6 videos trying to do weekly updates. And there really wasn't updates. I'm just gonna be honest. Like, there were no waves in sight. My hair is straight. My hair doesn't really start rippling and waving up, like I said in the previous video, at least till about week 6, week 7, 8, 9, 10. That's when my hair really gets in motion and really gets wavy. And I was sitting here doing these videos. I literally scratched every last update I did. Week 3, week 4, and week 5, I did these videos. And as I'm editing the video, I'm looking at them and I'm saying to myself, as a potential subscriber to me, or as just a person looking at the update, is this really an update? Because you're looking at the same thing from the previous week. It's not really an update. I'm just being honest with you. So I would just ditch the whole video, man, and I wasn't feeling it. I just was not feeling the videos. But today I am officially doing a video because I do see progress. I do see some wave motion in my head, and I want y'all to see what I got going on right now. And I've been brushing a lot. I don't bought a lot of brushes, so I'm telling you, I've been brushing a lot. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this update, shall we? So that's pretty much the update. I just wanted y'all to see what I got going on. I mean, it's not a lot. Of course, I'm still rippling real good, but it's a start. You know what I'm saying? It's all about that dedication that you put into waving in the beginning. So that's all I've really been doing is brushing. I got some more things I want to show y'all coming up in the next video. Want to show y'all some new merchandise that I got, new product. That is really dope. Other than that, man, if you got any questions or concern, definitely shoot me and a text message, get at me on Facebook, which my information is below. Comment on this actual video if you want to, or any of my other videos. But definitely subscribe to the channel because, like I said, I got more coming. I know I need to work on doing a little bit, many more videos, but it is what it is, man. I thank y'all for being loyal and, you know, coming over and definitely chopping it up with me or looking at my videos, all that stuff. I just wanted to make sure I hit y'all up with this update because I know y'all been waiting for it. I know y'all been waiting for it. And I mean, this is it right here. It may not be a lot for most of you people, but for me, it's a lot, mainly because, like I said, my hair is straight, and when it comes to that progress, this is what my progress is going to be, you know, starting out. Y'all seen what I can do, so stay tuned. I got more coming, but definitely subscribe to the channel. Information down below. I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. Peace.